In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download sales report from Zoho Books tutorial. If you need a clean copy of your sales data for sharing, analysis, or backup, Zoho Books makes it straightforward. I'll walk you through the process and share a few practical tips to help you get exactly what you need. Once you're in your Zoho Books dashboard, head to the left-hand sidebar and click Reports. This is your hub for all financial summaries. In the Sales section, pick the specific sales report you want to export. Choose the one that matches your goal. Sales by customer if you want to see who's buying, sales by item if you're reviewing product performance, or a general sales overview if you need a broad snapshot. Open the report, and if you see options like date range, branch, salesperson, or currency, confirm those settings before you run it. The export will reflect whatever is on screen, so it's worth double-checking the parameters now. With the report displayed, look to the top right and click Export. You'll be asked to choose a file format. Select the one that fits how you plan to use the data. PDF is great for a fixed, share-ready document. XLS or XLSX is ideal if you'll sort, filter, or build pivot tables in a spreadsheet. CSV works well when you need a lightweight file for importing into other tools. Picking the right format up front will save time later. Next, enter a clear and consistent file name. A good approach is to include the report type and the date range, like sales by customer /Janmar 2020. Avoid putting sensitive information in the file name. You'll also see the option to add a password. This is useful if you're sharing the file or storing it somewhere that others can access. If you choose to protect the file, store the password securely and share it only with authorized team members. When everything looks good, click Export. Zoho Books will generate the file, and your download should begin automatically. If the report is large, give it a moment. If your browser asks for permission to download, approve it. If nothing starts, check your pop-up blocker or look in your browser's downloads list. That's it. You've selected the report, exported it in the format you prefer, named it clearly, and optionally secured it with a password. You can now open the file from your Downloads folder, attach it to an email, or place it in your company's shared drive for easy access. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more clear, quick Zoho Books tutorials.